All right, we're live. We're live. Hey, YouTube. We are live. Woo! Yeah, Kevin. Yay. Yeah. Oh, when I was doing a British, I was trying to do a British accent, and it lasted like 2 minutes, and it was terrible. Yeah. All right. So it says, start a new page for the account receivable ledger, Brandy Sparks. Account number is 140. The balance for October 1st of the current year, which is 212. So customer is Brandy Sparks. Brandy Sparks. Customer number 140. On October 1st, her balance is 212. So that's number one. Create a ledger for your new customer. So if you are running a business and you get new customers, which you would be happy about, you have to create new customer ledgers for them. So that's number one. Start a new page. Brandy Sparks. Number two, post the account receivable debit on line 5 of the sales journal to the account receivable for Brandy Sparks. So let's find the old sales journal. Here's our sales journal. Brandy Sparks on October 20th bought some stuff from us. The sale was $544. We had to add on sales tax of $32.64 for a total account receivable debit of $576.64. So that is the total amount of money that Brandy Sparks owes us. $576.64. So that was on October 20th from Sales Journal 10. So on the 20th, from S10, we have a debit of $576.64. I think that was right. Wait. No. 57664. Okay. So I am debiting a debit. So do I need to add or subtract, class? Add. Good. So someone go ahead and add those up. I'll do the decimals for you. 64. What has it been? 788. Okay. Thank you. So Brandy now owes us $788.64. Take a look at the next one. Post the account receivable credit on line 9 of the cash receipt journal to Alfredo Lopez. So Alfredo Lopez must attempt to pay us some money. So you have Alfredo Lopez pays us $254.40. So we have to credit his account $254.40. So Alfredo Lopez on the 21st. From the CR12. Pays us $254.40. $254.40. Pays us $254.40. That's going to bring our balance to 1272. I figured that out using the idea that he owed us $254.40 on the first, and then we're paying $254.40, or he's paying, which means the only thing left is what he then charged later, the $12.72.
So smart.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, students. Yes, $12.72. That is correct, sir. 1272. Got it? Great. We're really doing it. So that was number 3. Number 4, post the credit entry on line 3 of the general journal to David Bishop. Oh, here's where you got to go back to the very first page. Check it out. Line 3, general journal. So this is the general journal from 11-1 worked together. David Bishop makes a sales return. So we have to give him the amount of sale that he returned plus the sales tax for a total of $55.12 as a credit. So G11 on the 12th, $55.12. G11 credit. David Bishop on the 12th from the G11. I think it was $55.12. I don't either. Oh, boy, skis. Let's see. Was it $55.12? Anyone looking at the front page? Yeah? Okay. Great. That's great. Oh. G11, got it. All right. So we are crediting a debit, which means we're going to do what? Add or subtract class? Subtract, they all screamed emphatically. Good. So 238.50 minus 55.12 equals. Yeah, oh yeah. 183. I did this all in my head, YouTube. Totally did that mental math. That's a 18338. YouTube can't see this, right? Huh? Uh-oh. All right. So David Bishop owes us 183.38. Back to here. Prepare a schedule of account receivables for Graphic Inc. on October 31st of the current year. Rec balance for the general ledger is 25, 30, 22. Save your work. So down at the bottom, they give us a spot to create a schedule of accounts receivable. A schedule. Uh-oh, did I not go live? Did I delete live? Oh, it is. Whew. It's a close one.
That was bad.
All right, what goes on the first line of any 3-row heading? Company, graphicals, inks. Yes, it's very similar. Mike Wazowski. What goes on the second line of any 3-row heading? What the thingy is. Good. You also could have said the name of the financial document or what the thingy is. So this is a schedule of accounts receivables. And then, Keegan, what goes on the last line? Good. October 31st, 2019. October 31st, 2019. I wonder what costume I'll be wearing then. Oh, so the one you wear every day? Oh! Oh! The YouTube burn! It's a YouTube burn! Probably just got this video is gonna have the most views of any YouTube video ever.
His face is so red out.
All right. So now we list our customers and their balances. So David Bishop owes us $183.38. Maria Farrell owes us $286.20. Alfredo Lopez owes us $1,272. $1,272. And Brandy Sparks owes us $788.64. Brandy Sparks. She owes us $788.64. Last thing you gotta do is add up your account receivables, and we call this the total account receivables. So go ahead and add those up for me. Give you a minute for all you YouTubers at home watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on SoundCloud.
Oh my God, Friday. Liability.
Liabilities and assets. That is the cool stuff. All right. What is the balance? $2,530.22. That number is that number. Whoops. That's not on the screen. So 2530.22. That is the total for the account ledger. Now this is the total of your schedule of account receivables, which means you have two things that are supposed to equal. So what do I do? Double line it. And that, my favorite YouTube follower, is that